Okay, let's look at number 6. Now, number 6 and 7 and 8 are using the similar formula to before whenever they're asking about how large of a sample size must they take. In this case, with with using the p hat, it is n is equal to p hat times q hat z alpha over 2 all over e squared, okay? So in this case, they say that the approval rating is 40%, so that's p hat is equal to 0.40, which would mean q hat is equal to 1 minus 0.40, which is 0.60, okay? And they say 2 percentage points. Please, 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 in this case, 2%, make it a decimal. It is 0.02. Do not put the number 2 there. It will be so very wrong, okay? Now let's go ahead and plug everything in. They say 95% confidence interval. That is, my z is 1.96. So n is equal to 0.40 times 0.60 times 1.96 all over 0.02 squared. Punch that in the calculator, and I get this number here, and it's a decimal. Again, n. You have to round up. It better be b. Okay? Now, this very last one, these last two, let's go ahead and do them. This next one, number 7, they don't give us anything. Because they don't give us anything besides the 3 percentage points, 0.03, just let you know, you have to assume it's 50-50. So, p hat is 50, q hat is 50, because I have no idea, 1.65 and 0.03 squared. Comes that in the calculator, and you get a decimal, but you have to round to 757. Please do that. You get 756.25, and that's right. Okay, last but not least, they give us this about 25% start out in remedial courses. And the same thing, 5 percentage points, 0.05. P hat is 0.25, which means Q hat is 1 minus 0.25 or 0.75. So 0.25 times 0.75, and then 2.58, because 99% confidence interval, 0.05, square that, you get 699.23, rounded to 200. Now, we need to take into account for this test that what I did here was I did not actually do any of the work when I was doing this on this review here. So you can see exactly how long this is, and you can think about how long it'll take you to do the work and write all this down and still get the answer. I know there's about 50 questions on this review. I know your test is about 33. Now, I don't know if they have multiple parts or not, so please be aware of that when you're doing your test. It's probably going to take you a long time. Please ask your teacher for more time if you are able to do that, say after class or something, and you don't have a class to go to, or maybe you come back to their office and do it, later on, so that you don't feel overwhelmed to get through the test, because these do take a while to do. Okay? All right. Good luck, and thank you for watching my review.